If you're the kind of person who likes to do it yourself and learn a new skill to make an awesome snack, this video's for you. What if I told you there's part of the salmon that most people throw away, but it's actually the richest, most flavorful bite on the entire fish? It's the belly, the hidden gem of the salmon. Loaded with omega-3s, the belly's buttery, tender texture makes it the marbled ribeye of the sea. And when you smoke it, oh man, that's when it turns from great into unforgettable. Fat plus smoke equals pure flavor explosion. It's like the barbecue burnt ends of the ocean. Sweet, smoky, and melt in your mouth good. In this video, I'll take you through the whole process, from hooking and cleaning to brining, smoking, and packaging the finished salmon candy. This is the same method I learned more than a decade ago in Alaska, and it's one I still use today to make a treat that friends and family can't get enough of. So kick back, and let's turn those salmon bellies into pure gold.
So after you've landed your fish and taken your pictures, start the filleting process.
All right, so the first thing is from the anus, you're gonna cut down about inch down in and cut straight along here to take the belly meat off. This is some of the best smoking part of the salmon.
Freeze up and box your protein for the flight home. When you're ready to make your salmon candy, thaw out your bellies and make your brine. For 10 pounds of bellies, I use 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of kosher salt, 1 cup of maple syrup, and 2 quarts of water. Mix that all together and pour over your bellies and let it brine in the fridge for 24 hours. Remove your bellies from the brine and blot dry with a paper towel, and then let the bellies air dry in the refrigerator until they're tacky for 2 to 3 hours. Place the bellies on your smoker racks and get your smoker ready. I set the smoker to 180 degrees and get my Pitmaster wood sawdust loaded up into the smoker. I use this Z-Wave smoking sawdust tray, which burns about 2 hours per row. So I load it up and light both ends. I also load up the smoker's tray with sawdust and get it burning. Before loading the trays into the smoker, I brush a layer of maple syrup to start that candy making process. Each hour, I check that the smoke is pouring out and reload it if necessary. I also brush on another layer of syrup each hour. On hour 4, I remove the bellies and let them cool. For this batch, I chose to let them cool overnight and flake out the protein for the vacuum bags the next day. When loading up the bags, it's important to keep the top of the bags dry for a good seal with the chamber vacuum machine. I made this funnel with a vitamin bottle by cutting off the top and the bottom. Vacuum up your candy and label it for future consumption or handing out. I will keep it in the freezer until I'm going to eat it or hand it off to a friend. If you want to see more of my cooking videos, watch this video on how to blacken fish, or watch this video on how I make some awesome garlic fish.